Hi friends, today I will unbox the Galaxy G Fold 5. Today I got this phone from Amazon. So as you can see, this is box packed and I'll try to get it unboxed. Let's get started. Let me cut this way. We have bill from Amazon and this is the box. Let's keep it aside. So this is the phone. As you can see, this is Galaxy G Fold 5. As you can see, this is completely sealed. This is a new box. Let me open it first time. This is an empty box and this one is the booklet. Let me open this. As you can see, this contains some booklets which we generally don't read. Let's keep it aside. And we have a type C to type C USB cable to transfer the data and one SIM injection tool. Okay, now I have the phone on my hand. So there is a wrap on the top of it. Let me remove this one. This is first time I am opening this one. Oh, it was nice. Try to turn it on. Okay, as you can see, there are multiple microphone ports as well as SIM card tray and type C port and one speaker grill on the bottom and another one at the top. And here you have the fingerprint sensor as well as volume rockers. On the back side we have 3 cameras. So I'll go through the detail in the full review after I use for a couple of weeks. Nice. Let me turn it on. It seems it does not have power. Let me charge it first. Let me see. Yeah, as you can see, there is no power at all. So let me charge for 1 hour, then I will check it, and within couple of weeks I will come up with a new video containing the full review. Yeah, thank you guys.